She knows something's not quite right. They take a fairly relaxed view about what constitutes a nest. A bare branch is quite enough. Climbing onto it to incubate has to be done with care. But behind the beauty, there's a sinister side. The Seychelles Fody makes quick work of an unattended egg. She knows something's not quite right, but her drive to incubate is strong. The noddies too have a problem. As their chicks grow, so the Pisonia tree develops seeds that are sticky and equipped with hooks. If a fledgling, testing out its wings, drops to the ground, it can get covered with the seeds. Entangled and weighed down, if it can't free itself, the youngster will starve. The Pisonia may have failed to disperse these seeds, but it will soon have fertilizer for its roots. This is why some people call the Pisonia the bird catcher tree.